Hey guys, I'm taking a break here, having some coffee. Finally found some coffee. Cheers to coffee, my friends. Cheers. It's good, man. It is so windy. 30, 35 mile an hour constant headwind, 50-mile-an-hour gusts. There's Xena, the warrior mantis, aka Hill Conqueror. Just waiting for me to drink my coffee and get back on her and fight this headwind. We have a long ways to go, and I can barely go anywhere, man. We're talking about 6, 7 miles an hour. That's about it. But, it's all right. Gotta take the good with the bad, right? Heck yeah. So, I will see you back down that road, right over there. We're going that way.